Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Ford Focus 1999 to 2007? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems.
Engine compartment fuse box.
The engine compartment fuse box in the 1999 Ford Focus contains high current fuses that protect major electrical systems such as the cooling fan, ABS, headlights, and ignition. It is designed for easy access to essential power circuits. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2000 to 2001 Ford Focus houses high amperage fuses and relays for key systems like the fuel pump, cooling fan, ABS, and lighting. It provides circuit protection and centralized power distribution for vital engine components. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2002 Ford Focus contains high-capacity fuses and relays that support critical functions, such as the ignition system, cooling fan, headlights, and fuel system. It ensures reliable power distribution and protection for major engine components. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2003 to 2004 Ford Focus manages high-current circuits for essential systems like the ignition, cooling fan, ABS, and exterior lighting. It includes both fuses and relays to ensure safe and efficient power distribution. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2005 Ford Focus includes high amperage fuses and relays that protect key systems such as the powertrain, lighting, ABS, and cooling fan. It ensures stable electrical performance and circuit safety for major components. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2006 to 2007 Ford Focus contains high current fuses and relays that control and protect systems like the engine management, cooling fan, ABS, and exterior lighting. It supports efficient power distribution and electrical system reliability. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 1999 Ford Focus contains low amperage fuses that protect interior electrical systems such as the radio, interior lights, power windows, and instrument panel. It helps maintain safe and organized circuit control for cabin functions. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2000 to 2001 Ford Focus manages low-current circuits for interior features like the audio system, power windows, central locking, and dashboard controls. It ensures proper protection and functionality of in-cabin electrical components. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2002 Ford Focus contains fuses that protect interior electrical features such as the audio system, climate controls, power accessories, and lighting. It provides safe circuit management for the vehicle's cabin systems. passenger compartment fuse box in the 2003 to 2005 Ford Focus controls and protects circuits for interior functions like the radio, power windows, interior lights, and dashboard electronics. It ensures reliable operation and safety of cabin electrical components. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2006 to 2007 Ford Focus supports low-current circuits for systems such as the audio unit, interior lighting, power outlets, and electronic modules. It plays a key role in safeguarding and organizing the vehicle's interior electrical functions.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.